Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back on the E46. Last video you saw me fit this EGR blade, which was actually just yesterday, but for you guys it was probably the week before I uploaded this one. Anyways, in this video we're going to be replacing the downpipe, or the stock downpipe, with this gorgeous 3-inch sports cat, because we don't want to be cheating emissions, so we're taking a sports cat instead of a free flow downpipe. And yeah, we want to keep this car road legal, isn't it? Yeah. Inshallah. Inshallah. So yeah, without too much talking bullshit, let's just get started with undoing stuff and fit that other downpipe. So yeah, I'll also show you guys along the way how to do it for yourself if you want to do it. Yeah, to get to the downpipe you have to remove this sump guard. So it's one bolt there, one there, right next to it. Then we have one down here. Then we remove this rubber boot. Well, this was just there to get to this one and this one. Someone's removed those two already, and then same on this other side. Lots of struggle just to get that one tray off. We had to unscrew these 3, and then we had to take the other plastic bit that was down here. That was also held in, I think, with like 5 or 6 screws. So yeah, it wasn't just the 16 millimeters, it's a few more than expected. And here now we get this heat shield off, which doesn't look too bad, but I don't want to say it before, so I think it's just that one there, one here, and one right here. And then we can pull this heat shield to the side and get access to the downpipe. You can't see it, it is still the stock one, which is also going to be a pain to remove because we don't have much space. So guys, now we have all the protection off. We have these 3 13 millimeter bolts, nuts, sorry, so we take those off. And then we have these 2 brackets holding the downpipe in place, which we take off as well because we're going to transfer them to the other one. And after that we have 2 really hard ones to get to. So there's one up there and one up there holding the downpipe to the turbo. And yeah, I'll stop removing these ones. These are pretty simple, you just go at it with the ratchet or whatever, and we'll see how we get to those. And I'll try to show you guys how I remove them once I get to that point. Now that we have this off, you can see how bad the flexi is. So it's probably not a bad time to replace it. But
3 people under the car trying to get something.
This is Mahir's sign to not get a BMW. Or maybe it is a sign for him to get one because he wants to be oiled up with men and under a car. On this, it's not as bad as it is on the M57, because on the M57 you have to take this engine mount out so you can take the downpipe off. Yay! So get an M47 and then make it same power as the M57 after tuning it. Power of family, bro.
Power of friendship, bro. With the power of friendship, we will break it loose.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's too much friendship.
It's a 2-man job to change the filter. Can you imagine? And we still can't see the oxygen sensor. I see the wire.
He loves his car too much. He's kissing it.
I see it now. I know how to screen plug. I really don't want to take the manifold off just to take the oxygen sensor off. Oh my god. So it's that one through the hole, and we're trying to get it off somehow. I don't want to take all of that off.
Why is this?
I asked my friend who is going to map it if it's okay for me to cut it, and he said it's okay. So we're going to trust him on that. And
if it doesn't go to plan, we're blaming him.
Then he's paying for the new oxygen sensor. I think. It took a lot of fighting with that 15mm, but we did manage to get it out eventually. Oh my god! And I think I've been at that one bolt for like over an hour. These two, this one and this one, were the hardest ones to get to. So basically, you just take a 15mm spanner and put another spanner on it for leverage, and then you just crack it loose with like the tiniest bit of movement. And with this one you can actually do this, nothing else will work. So you take a 15mm 1/2 inch, then you put a adapter for the 3/8 drive, and then you take the 3/8 to 1/4 drive adapter, and that's how you keep turning it once you have it cracked loose. So this will basically go on that, like around here it will come like this, sit on top of it, and then you will have the tiniest bit of movement, but it will be enough, and it's going to be very, very tight. Finally have the downpipe connected. These two were much easier to just go at with the ratchet now because we have loads more space. These are tight, all of these are tight. I still need to put the under tray here and another one down up here. I'm gonna leave the exhaust disconnected because I do want to start it without the exhaust first, just to see what it sounds like, and then I'll connect it back up. It sounds like a jet. We have the engine light, but that's gonna go away. Right, we finally fitted all the parts we needed for the tune. We got Saad, my man, on the tune. He's flashing it. I have no clue what he's doing, but all I know is it's gonna be sick once it's done. And you can hit him up too if you want your car's tuned. Right, Saad?
Yeah, man.
What's the Insta, bro?
It's at blossom.e46.
Yeah. So you can hit him up on that, and he'll tune your car too. Hopefully he won't blow it up. Well, we'll find out after.
None yet.
No, actually, he's good with it. He's got his one tuned as well, and that's done like over 25k miles on that tune, isn't it?
Yeah, it's done like 30k.
Yeah. Anyways, I'll come back to this. Well, I'll show you the results once it's done flashing. At the moment, yeah, 34%. So give it some time, and yeah, I'll take it for a spin and show you guys the results. We got the engine light is gone as well. Turn the lights on. And we got deep idle.
Maybe take it out before you rev it.
Don't rev it just yet. So yeah, let's take it for a road test. I'm driving, you're not driving, bro. Not without you drive. So yeah, let's go. Bro, I love it. Can I give you a kiss?
No, man.
No, okay.
No, stay away. But yeah.
But no, I'm in love, bro. I'm never selling this car. But, you know, I said that same thing about the Golf and I sold it 2 weeks after.
Yeah, for this, by the way. Best car.
Definitely worth it though.
Yeah.
We're gonna go back home now before we get pulled over or arrested or something.
Yeah, or before we slide out.
I think that's enough for this video. I will see you in the next one. We got some things to fix on it, but performance wise this is perfect and I am in love with it. There are some cosmetic issues like some faded headlights and this and that, but we will get all of that sorted and make this into a beast. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.
Let me record it. Okay, go on. What do you want to do?